met a woman who just took a breath. Yeah, yeah, so deep inside her life, she contemplated death. Damn, she deep, give a fella the creep. Can't help but get attached to a woman like that. True that, true that, true that, true that. The contact was quite immediate, I had good tact.
What's up, guys? Today I'm checking out Newcleus, Computer Age, in parentheses, Push the Button, requested by Cream1 on Streamlabs. Big shout out to you. Haven't heard this song before, never heard anything from this. I'm assuming this is a group, it has to be. Never heard anything from them. Yeah, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and move over to the wiki page real quick and see what information we can find. Well, before that, let's look at the album cover. Okay, album cover. Oh, wait, this is a compilation album cover, so it doesn't really count. Well, either way, it's still, I don't know, interesting. I don't know, whatever. But, yeah, with that being said, man, let's just go ahead and go over to Streamlabs. I mean, not Streamlabs, Wikipedia, and see what information we can find out. So, here we go. All right, so Newcleus, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, was an American electro and old school hip hop group that gained popularity in the early 80s. Primarily known for its 12-inch single Jams on Revenge, re-released as Jam on Revenge and Jam on It, which began as an anti-rap joke, according, all right. Genres: electro, boogie, old school hip hop from Brooklyn, New York. Hey, you love to see it. Brooklyn, New York in the house. Group was based on the Bedford-Stuyvesant neighborhood of Brooklyn, New York. All right. Beat from the 1984 Auto Man formation. Formed in Brooklyn, New York. Okay. Included teenagers Ben or Cosmo D, Pete, and his cousins Monique and Pete. All right. Group's popularity grew as it played block parties in Brooklyn. By 79, the primary group's members were Cynic, Lady E, Monique, Chili B. No more Pete, I'm assuming. I guess Pete, maybe Love. Changed it to Newcleus. Alright, so discography, only 2 albums. Interesting. One in 84 and one in 85, then a lot of compilation albums. How do you milk 6 compilation albums out of 2 regular albums? These must have been some pretty, they not stacked either. The first album only had 8 tracks. But somehow they managed to, I don't know. But alright, so this should be interesting. They seem like a pretty small group. Like they weren't too huge. It seems like, to my knowledge, maybe they had a huge influence on culture and whatnot, but they definitely seem like more of a underground, not really underground, but just like you have to be like a huge like music head or something to know about them type of stuff. So that being said, I guess we can just go ahead and check this one out, man. Newcleus. All right, let's switch back over to the thing. There we go. Computer Age, in parentheses, push the button. Let's go. What year was this released, I wonder? It's definitely 84, 85.
Push the button.
Yo, that's pretty good. For 84, 85, that electric, feel, they definitely got that that down pat, Pretty good.
Say it's gonna make life easier. this, not this. They say we should put them in control, but maybe once we give them a soul, I guess we must not think that we're gods. While we're less than ever. I know the Lord did not be too glad. In fact, I'm sure he must be quite mad to see us take things roll from our lives and give it to computers. For here we sit in our easy chairs as our machines decide our welfare. Who will suffer, who will survive? It's up to the computers. Push the button. Push the button.
Yeah, I like the topics, man. That electric.
Push the button.
It's like it. I see. And like, notice how the beat has like a computer vibe to it.
Push the button.
Yo, that was cool. That was cool, man. I like that. I could definitely see this being a huge song in like the dance scene, on the dance scene and whatnot. Also, I just really like the overall feel of it for the most part, and and it ties in with the title of it, "Computer Age," push the button, all that type of stuff. They dealt with, or talked about at least, the rise of computers and computers taking over the world essentially in that sense, and stuff like that. But the progress that the song made as well, because it went from kind of like it always had like that electro feel, but then like it kind of got more what's the right word, it got more like advanced, sort of say, as the song went on, and then later on you heard the robot throughout the song and everything. So I thought that was a pretty cool touch, the way it kind of progressed throughout the song, like the computer age, I guess you could say. But yeah, this was definitely a cool song. I definitely see this being huge on the dance scene at the time, and just everybody for the most part. I feel like this was. I could be wrong on this one, but I feel like from what I've listened to so far, when it comes to like early '80s, this is like 84, 85, one of those two. Like this type of stuff, like the experimentation with different sounds and whatnot, was kind of still pretty new, I feel like, on the scene. Maybe not, maybe I'm just, I don't know, talking crazy, but I feel like it was still pretty new, and I feel like what they did here was definitely I don't know, it's just cool to me to like hear them kind of like, because I feel like it just feels like to me everybody was experimenting with it, and just doing something new, and just seeing what they could produce. So I definitely enjoyed this, and if you guys enjoyed the reaction, make sure you smack the like button, subscribe if you're new. With that being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out.